Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Edward here, Director Editech Solutions and from Flight Attain Work. Today I want to make one small video on how to update WordPress plugins. I believe today the kind of audience will be the technical audience or developers. So I just found a question and somebody just wanted to know how to update WordPress plugins. I was like, no man, let me just make a quick video so that it can save many out there. Right now, our topic today is how to update plugins in WordPress by Edward. Plugins are scripts. Okay, you can just go to Google, search about what are plugins, but basically, in simple terms, they are scripts, strings of codes that perform different tasks on a website. Let's say if you want a script for the contact us page, then there's a plugin Form 7 for that one. Other plugins. If you want a script for the slider, there's a plugin for that. Now basically those plugins are updated on a timely basis, either weekly, monthly, so you have to keep on checking on the back end of the website to make sure you update it, because if you're left behind by any update, it will mean you're making your site vulnerable to attack, like the hackers and who can inject codes, malicious codes. So you have to keep yourself updated. Yeah, this is the guy, Edward. Let us have that one practically. Now I'm going to use one example which is on my local PC. Okay, this is a version of our website called attainwork.com, the first version. So we're going to log in. Actually, I'm already logged in. Yeah, this is Edward here. I'm already logged in, and this is our site. Okay, now we want to go step by step, a little bit quick and straight to the point, so that we see how this is done. So you'll head here, just hover top left here, where there is this logo of WordPress. Then you just hover on the name of the website that is there. It will be there by default, depending on what you named your site. So we have dashboard, we have themes, widgets, and then menu. I'll click on dashboard, okay, so that I get the full back end of the website. Alright. So loading will depend on your time, your speed. A second. Okay, it is prayer time. Sorry about that. Right. But we shall continue. So I'm trying to log in. I've just input my username and password. Now when I get back end, I'll try to click here, go to dashboard. Okay. So when we get to the dashboard, you will see a lot of notifications here. It says an automated WordPress update has failed to complete. Okay, we shall handle that. Then when you look at the plugins, we have 8 of them, which needs update. So we simply click on installed plugins, go to plugins section, click on installed plugins. So the system will list and display all the installed plugins. Then those that need an update, you'll always find such a status. There is a new version of Elementor available. Click on update now. There is Imagify. Click on update. There is this is doing it manually also. Then MailChimp. Click manually. But this can be the this can be the same as just selecting all these ones together. For example, this one, right? And then WordPress mass email, and then TinyMC advanced, talk to, one signal, right? Okay, the others are updating now. The other one was just one by one update, so there's also a chance to select all of them, like what I've done. Then I'm just waiting for these two to finish the update. Otherwise I can just show you. So once I select like a number of them, I'll just head down here to bulk actions, and then I click on update, then I say apply to all. Now let's wait for this one to finish. It's taking long. It's taking quite long. Okay, I think it is done. Now this was one by one, if you remember. So basically, because I just clicked on all of them, selected all those that need an update, then I'll just head back here to apply, because I already have it here. Then apply. So they'll try to do it to all of them. One second. Okay, it says user customs import export has been deactivated due to error. Okay, there is an error, but this one has taken the command, and that one, and that one. So basically, that is how it is done. You simply select all, and then all, but filter out those which need updates only. Then update them immediately. Then I think I have another update here. I don't need to make another video for this. It's here. If you look here, it is telling you 6 updates. Okay, these ones are being updated, but I think there are some themes which are also outdated. It's a little bit slow. Let's wait. Nothing to do. Okay, we are remaining with one now. Please hurry up. Yeah, now all updated. But when we hover on plugins, dashboard here, you see it still says we have 3 unupdated ones. Now I believe those are themes, so you click on it, website. So I don't want to make this one a video as well on its own, so we can simply have it, you know, we can have them updated together in one video. So click on here. You see I've selected all, not one. Then I say update themes, so they also get updated. So this is how we update WordPress plugins. If you've been stuck most of the time, just check on this video and try to share it to as many friends of yours as possible. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell so that you always get notified when we load new videos. Thank you very much. I remain Edward. Safe for me.